Good morning, children. Welcome to your GK class. So, today we will start with our GK exercises from the book Know and Grow with Derek for class 6. So, this video is for class 6 and we'll be starting with chapter number 1, India, a country, and we'll solve the exercises of page number 1, 2, and 3. So, the first page has got the exercises of cities, towns, and states. So you have to match the cities and towns with the states in which they are located. So let's get started, children. Cities and towns. Number 1, Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur. So these all cities and towns are located in the state Maharashtra. Number E. Number 2, Kolkata, Asansol, Darjeeling. The answer will be number I, West Bengal. Number 3, Chennai, Salem, Vellore. The answer will be number A, Tamil Nadu. Number 4, Bengaluru, Mangaluru, Mysuru. The answer will be number J, Karnataka. Number 5, Kochi, Kozhikode, Alappuzha. The answer will be number B, Kerala. Number 6, Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, Rajkot. The answers will be number G, Gujarat. Number 7, Jaipur, Udaipur, Ajmer. The answer will be number D, Rajasthan. Next, number 8, Bhubaneswar, Puri, Cuttack. The answer will be number F, Odisha. Number 9, Gwalior, Indore, Bhopal. The answer will be number C, Madhya Pradesh. And the last one, number 10, Jhansi, Lucknow, Agra. The answer will be number H, Uttar Pradesh. So no need to panic. If you have not followed what I have said, you will also be sent a PDF. Now the next page, page number 2. Now is about touring India. So we'll fill in the blanks using the help box. A help box is provided to you, so you can check your spellings in the help box, and I have also written there in the blank, so you can follow that also. Number 1, built by Maharaja Sawai Pratap Singh. The dash has 953 pink sandstone windows called Jharukas. The answer will be Hawa Mahal. Number 2, built by King Narsimha Deva I in the 13th century. The dash is designed in the form of a chariot and is dedicated to Lord Surya. The answer will be Konark Sun Temple. Number 3, the dash was built by Akbar. It was traditionally known as Badalgarh. So answer will be Agra Fort. Number 4, the dash contains a collection of rock art linked to Lord Shiva. They are located on the island of Gharapuri in Maharashtra. The answer will be Elephanta Caves. Number 5, the dash housing the mortal remains of St. Francis Xavier is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Goa. The answer will be Bom Jesus Basilica. Number 6, the dash in Jaipur is an astronomical observatory built in the early 18th century. So the answer will be Jantar Mantar. Number 7, the Panch dash of Mahabalipuram, named after the Pandavas, were carved out of a single huge rock. So the name will be Rathas. Okay, the answer will be Rathas. Number 8, the dash was built as a memorial to the first Empress of India in Kolkata and was opened to the public in 1921. So this is very common. You must have been there many a times. So this is Victoria Memorial. So with this we are coming to the end of this page. Now moving on to our next page. Classical dances of India. So there are some clues given, and by seeing that we have to fill up the missing letters. This dance form begins with Alaripu, meaning flowering bird. So that is Bharatnatyam. So the spelling goes like this: BHARATANATYAM. Number 2. In this dance form, the characters are defined by their costumes and makeup. The face of the artist is painted over to appear as though a mask is worn. So this is Kathakali. So KATHAKALI. Number 3. The name of this dance form is derived from a word that means story. So story means katha. So the dance form will be Kathak. KATHAK. Number 4. Ras, Sankirtana and Thangta are the most popular variation of this dance form from the northeast. So usually this is taken from Manipur. So the answer will be Manipuri. MANIPURI. Number 5. The Odhra Magat is the oldest form of this dance form from Orissa. So Orissa's dance form is Odissi. ODISSI. The last one, children. The name of this dance form is also the name of a village in the Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh. So this is Kuchipudi. KUCHIPUDI. So children, this much for today. Those who had any problem in writing the answers, no need to panic. I'll be sending you a PDF too for the answers, wherein you can sit slowly and you can write slowly. Okay, those who could follow, please write down neat and cleanly in your book using your pencil. This much for today, children. Thank you very much.